Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you another DIY, a mirror DIY. It's going to be a Starburst mirror. So let's get into items that we'll be using for this Starburst mirror. We have these large round mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And we have our square mirrored sheets from Dollarama. And we have these popsicle craft sticks from Dollar Tree. And we're using some silver acrylic paint. And we'll be using some glitter. And we have the Mod Podge. And we have the crushed glass, which I have a video that I'll leave in the link below to show you how I make my crushed glass in case you haven't seen it. And we have our tools that we'll be using. And our E6000. And our glue gun, you guys. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We have the foam board also from the Dollar Tree. Alright, you guys, let's get started. Alright, you guys, we're going to trace a large circle. I have this that I had used from before. You can use like a big circle tray, anything you want, and just trace it around and cut it out the foam board. Okay, so we cut that out, and now we're just going to take the mirror and trace it in the center of that circle, so we know where we're gonna place the mirror. Alright, you guys, I can't find my ruler and I'm not gonna go look for it, so I'm just gonna take a piece of the foam board and I'm gonna trace across the center of the circle just to mark out where I'll be placing the popsicle sticks. Just keep flipping it and just trace out some lines going straight across just to know where to pinpoint the popsicle sticks when we're placing them down. Right, now time to start placing down the popsicle sticks, or craft sticks, whichever you like to call them. I call them popsicle sticks. And when I was finished, I just placed some extra sticks going around just to enforce the popsicle sticks, so give them a little bit more strength, because we'll be placing the mirrored sheets on them. And now we flip it over. We're gonna paint it with some silver acrylic paint. You can spray paint if you want, but it's gonna be covered, so I'm just using the paint. And now we're gonna use the Mod Podge and place down our crushed glass, you guys. And when you're adding the crushed glass, please use gloves, or you could even use a spoon, and scoop it out and add it to your design, but use something to protect your fingers. And now I'll be going back over the design with 2 to 3 coats of the Mod Podge to let it dry and seal in the crushed glass, you guys. And now I'm gonna add some glitter. When we're doing the last coat of the Mod Podge, just sprinkle some glitter over, just to give it a little bit more shine. And now we'll be adding our square mirrored pieces with the E6000, and we cut them into strips with the X-Acto knife, you guys. Remember, no scissors, you have to use the X-Acto knife. And then we're just going to put our strips going all the way around our sunburst mirror. Alright you guys, because the square pieces does not go all the way to the top of the popsicle sticks, I'm adding these small gems just to make it look a little bit more nicer. Now I'll be adding some of our bling wrap, one strip, going right around the outside of the circle. I just don't like how it looks and I want it to look more neater, so I'm just going around with one strip of the bling wrap all the way around. Alright you guys, here's the finished look. I love how it turned out. It looks very nice, to me anyways. What do you think? Do you like how it looks? Yeah, I like it. I think it looks very nice and blingy. With the mirrored pieces and the solid mirror in the center and the crushed glass, looks very nice. And you know what you guys? I made this piece for my sister, yeah. And she has a channel on YouTube here. She doesn't do DIYs. She does vlogs, and her channel is called The Journey Family. Her and my niece, you know. And remember you saw Dre in one of my videos? The little dog? Yeah, it's her dog. So he's over there in the videos with her also. I'm going to leave a link below to her channel. You guys can go check her out. But anyways, I'm doing some items for her because she's fixing up her place. You know, so I'm making some things for her. And guess what? When I'm finished, I'm going to go over there and film everything and show you guys what I did. Yeah. So remember, I'm going to leave a link below to her channel down below. The Journey Family. I hope you check her out if you get a chance. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. I hope I've inspired you once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.